Want to grow sweet, juicy watermelons at home, even without a garden? No problem. Here's how you can do it in containers. Choose a large container, at least 18 inches wide and 16 inches deep, with drainage holes to prevent soggy roots. Go for smaller watermelon types like Sugar Baby or Mini Love, perfect for container gardening. Fill your container with well-draining potting mix and enrich it with compost for extra nutrients. Sow seeds 1 inch deep. Start them indoors 2 to 4 weeks before the last frost or plant them directly in your container. Watermelons need consistent watering. Keep the soil damp but not soggy, especially as they grow. Use a trellis or sturdy stake to train the vines upwards, saving space and keeping the fruit off the ground. Fertilize every 3 to 4 weeks with a balanced fertilizer to support healthy growth. If you're growing indoors or have few pollinators, use a small brush or cotton swab to transfer pollen between flowers. Check for aphids and spider mites. If needed, use organic insecticidal soap to keep them away. Your watermelon is ready when it sounds hollow when tapped, and the closest tendril turns brown. And that's it! Growing watermelons in containers is easy and super rewarding. Let me know in the comments if you're trying this at home.